Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update your debt payoff plan with Debt Payoff Planner, detailed guide step by step clearly. To update your debt payoff plan, start by gathering all your financial information. Collect details of each debt, including outstanding balances, interest rates, and monthly payments. Open the Debt Payoff Planner application. Navigate to your existing debt payoff plan. Review your current debts listed in the app. Check if there have been any changes to your debts since your last update. If you have paid off any debts, remove them from the list. To add new debts, select the option to add a new debt. Enter the necessary information for your new debt, including the balance and interest rate. Next, revisit your monthly budget to ensure it reflects your current financial situation. Adjust your monthly payment amounts if your income or expenses have changed. Consider whether you want to change your debt payoff method, such as switching from the snowball to the avalanche method. Apply any new payment strategies you've decided on. After making your adjustments, review your updated payoff timeline. Check the new estimated payoff dates to see how they have changed. If everything looks correct, save your updated plan. Consider setting reminders for your upcoming payments to stay on track. Lastly, revisit your plan regularly to make further adjustments as needed. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.